Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative. And I am here with another jewelry netting layout. And so I wanted to show you what I did and which doll I used. I used Kyoko, and I used her in her dress, and I used her purse. So they're the only two things that I used from this stamp set. Love her. And I also use this book. I got this from Ollie's. It's Fantastic Structures. It's one of those adult coloring books. So and this was only, I think, $1.99, because this one was $1.99. And then you have the 15% coupon. You know, you're cooking with grease. And these are 11, let me see, so 11 and a half, 11 and 3/4 by probably 11 and 3/4. So nice size, almost a 12 by 12. My layouts are 9 by 12, so slightly shorter, but I know how to work that. But what I did was I picked one from out of here, and of course I think I just moved the freaking strip. It's called Tiger Monastery, and they only have one of each page, but I'm just flipping through it, so you can use these to color. And I look at them as background, since I'm not necessarily an artist, although I know how to do perspectives and rendering. From my little bit of high school studying, wanted to be an architect, so I know how to do a little bit of that, but not a freehand drawer or anything. Artist, freehand drawer, artist. But what I did was I took the one from here, the Tiger Monastery, because I have an Asian theme, because that's where it's located, and the bright colors in it. And I fussy cut it out. Well, first I colored it with colored pencils, and I wasn't liking the result, because I was using the cheaper brand. I've got several sets of color pencils, and I was using the one, I don't like the color sets. And then I said, you know, I'm just going to go over it with my better, my better pencils. I'm just going to go ahead and color it with my Spectrum Noir markers, and that's what I did. I was going to hear the whole picture. I changed my mind, because it has the same mountain veins in the background, but I decided to use my own craft paper, and I fussy cut it out, and I adhered it to some craft cardstock, cut the 9 by 12, paper pieced her, and Spectrum Noir colored her skin and hair, and I attached it, and I just made my faux little mountains in the background. And this is kind of the odd colors of this monastery. And I just put travel, and there's some gold stickers that I got, letters from, I got it from Tuesday Morning a couple years back, and I just used some of those. So that was my painting purchase, you know, in an Asian style building, and her traveling. And again, these are the mountains, and I just freehand colored that to simulate, so it looks pretty much like the picture of how to cap it. So I like how it turned out, very colorful. So that is Kyoko, and this is number 41 out of my 48 needed to finish my journal. So I'm almost there, and so I don't know when the videos will be up, but it will be done before 2020 is over with. Yay. So anyway, I will also have playlists showing you all of the other videos of the other ones as well, and on my Pinterest. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Pull out your jewelry netting. Thank you, and God bless. Bye-bye.